Well, I wanted to share something that I've been working on now for a couple of weeks now, and that is some tools here inside our automation toolkit to simplify the kind of day-to-day tasks that we do all the time. And I have a certain setup that I do for my hype chains. When a customer orders a hype chain design, I do a couple of different hype chain designs and also a matching keychain. And so I decided to make some project builders built into the toolkit that will do all this work for us very quickly. So here we have a Dallas Cowboys design, and if we right click on generate 3MF file, that brings up our project builder. We can click on our hype chain here, and we'll go ahead and specify that yes, we want the Dallas Cowboys, and then we can specify the size of our build plate and our border and things of that nature, but I'm just going to accept all the defaults here, and this will specify the size of the keychain as well. But if I go ahead and just click on create hype chain, it happens very quickly. So you can see there, we've got a successful hype chain layout created. So then we'll pop over here into Bamboo and show you what it did for us. So we'll go ahead and open up the Dallas one here. And so it gives us a Cuban hype chain, and then it gives us our regular hype chain. It gives us our regular links here, and then of course it gives us our keychains. Now, the simplest thing here is probably just to go ahead and delete one of our keychains, and then here we do have to kind of reposition our purge tower here, and then we can also change the size of this. So we can just go over here to others. We'll come down to our purge tower. We'll get rid of our rib wall here. That will physically change the size of our cube. And that's probably good enough. And now everything is ready to print. So a much more simplified process than having to do that manually each and every time. So those project builders that were built into the toolkit will definitely save you a few steps here when you're going to create your hype chain layouts. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.